to the zoo.
Friends are always happy to see each other. Hi.
Hi.
You can laugh with a friend. And it's okay to cry, too. When you're sad, a friend will cheer you up and make you feel better. Don't cry. Friends tell each other secrets.
A friend will always share. Here, you have some too.
Thanks. Sometimes friends get mad at each other. But then they always make up. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry too. I like my friends a lot, and they like me.
Hi!
My name is Scott.
My name is Katie.
I'm Patrick.
I'm Lindsay.
Will you be our friend?
Yay!
Hi, I'm Max. I can hang upside down. Can you? I like to hide. I'm hiding now. Do you know where I am?
Hello, I'm Axel. Max is hiding over there. Huh?
Oh!
Hey, where's my hat?
I like to play tricks. Do you?
We're playing a game. Do you want to play too? First, hold up your right hand. Now, hold up your left hand. Always start with your right hand. Now watch us. Legs clap. Right hand clap. Left hand clap. Both hands. Again, legs clap. Right hand clap. Left hand clap. Both hands clap. Now you try it with me. Ready? Legs clap. Right hand clap. Left hand clap. Both hands clap. Legs clap. Right hand clap. Left hand clap. Both hands clap. Now faster. Legs clap. Right hand clap. Left hand clap. Both hands clap. Legs clap. Right hand clap. Left hand clap. Both hands clap. Good. Now listen carefully. Everything we say, you say too, okay? A friend is someone who likes you. Now you say it. A friend is someone you like too. Your turn. here, and I'll tell you a secret. Today is Zippy's birthday. Now tell me a secret. Our friends will cheer you up when you are feeling